Ethereum value equivalent to $312.18 a coin. The present exchange cost range $3.4740 $3.335.99. The earlier day close $3.253.23. The change was plus 58.95, plus 181%. Reverse rate OS to F. Ethereum figure for July 2024. To start with, cost at $3,591. Exorbitant cost $44.58, while low cost $3,591. The normal for the month $309.52. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $40.166. Change for July 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost, cost at $4,166. Exorbitant cost $44.33, while low cost $3,853. The normal for the month $40.49. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $40.43. Change for August 0.6%. Ethereum figure for September 2024. Initially cost at $40.43. Excessive cost $49.61, while low cost $40.143. The normal for the month $44.71. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $40.636. Change for September 11.9%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2024. Initially cost at $40.636. Excessive cost $5.603, while low cost $40.636. The normal for the month $5.28. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $5.236. Change for October 12.9%. Ethereum gauge for November 2024. Initially cost at $5.236. Excessive cost $6,087, while low cost $5.236. The normal for the month $5.562. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.689. Change for November 8.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2024. At the outset, cost at $5.689. Excessive cost $6,180, while low cost $5.372. The normal for the month $5.754. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.776. Change for December 1.5%. Ethereum conjecture for January 2025. To start with, cost at $5.776. Exorbitant cost $6,356, while low cost $5.524. The normal for the month $5.899. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.940. Change for January 2.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2025. Before all else, cost at $5.940. Excessive cost $6.419, while low cost $5.579. The normal for the month $5.0984. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $5.0999. Change for February 1.0%. Ethereum estimate for WARC 2025. Before all else, cost at $5.999. Excessive cost $6.1622, while low cost $5.756. The normal for the month $6.142. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $6.189. Change for spring 3.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for April 2025. At the outset, cost at $6.189. Excessive cost $16,635, while low cost $5.767. The normal for the month $6.98. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $6,201. Change for April's 0.2%. Ethereum gauge for May 2025. To start with, cost at $6,201. Exorbitant cost $6,811, while low cost $5.919. The normal for the month $6,324. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $6,365. Change for May 2.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for June 2025. At the outset, cost at $6,365. Excessive cost $7,749, while low cost $6,365. The normal for the month $6,930. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $7,242. Change for June 13.8%. Ethereum conjecture for July 2025. Before all else, cost at $72.42. Excessive cost $78.38, while low cost $6,812. The normal for the month $7,304. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $7,325. Change for July 1%. Ethereum cost expectation for August 2025. To start with, cost at $7,325. Exorbitant cost $90.92, while low cost $73.25. The normal for the month $8,060. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $8,497. Change for August 16%. Ethereum estimate for September 2025. First and foremost, cost at $8,497. Excessive cost $8,497, while low cost $7,313. The normal for the month $8,043. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $7,863. Change for September 75%. Ethereum cost expectation for October 2025. In the first place, cost at $7,863. Exorbitant cost $78.63, while low cost $6,143. The normal for the month $7,119. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $16,605. Change for October 16%. Ethereum figure for November 2025. Initially cost at $16,605. Excessive cost $8,198, while low cost $16,605. The normal for the month $72.68. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $17,662. Change for November 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for December 2025. To start with, cost at $17,662. Exorbitant cost $17,662, while low cost $6,092. The normal for the month $69.92. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $16,550. Change for December 14.5%. Ethereum estimate for January 2026. First and foremost, cost at $6,550. Excessive cost $6,550, while low cost $5,636. The normal for the month $6,199. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $6,060. Change for January 7.5%. Ethereum cost expectation for February 2026. At the outset, cost at $6,060. Excessive cost $75.22, while low cost $6,060. The normal for the month $6,668. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $7,030. Change for February 16%. Ethereum gauge for Walk 2026. In the first place, cost at $7,030. Exorbitant cost $7,030, while low cost $5,492. The normal for the month $6,364. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $5,905. Change for spring 16%. Ethereum cost